Hello, students, parents, guardians, siblings, friends. I wish each and every student who have cleared CA Foundation today, and I take absolute pride in sharing the fact that we have got an awesome, amazing result again this time. And I mean, I am feeling like out of this world. I mean, that this feeling is so amazing. When the students are calling you and saying, ma'am, we have cleared, we just want to thank you. And I mean, that moment when you have tears in your eyes, and I am still teary eyes, that I am at this moment, I am taking absolute pride in the fact that we have got an excellent result. I not only wish a great future for my students, but also for all the students who have cleared CA Foundation level in this attempt. And today we have got the results. Just now the results have been declared. One more important point I want to share with each one of you, that my team, the entire team, all the teachers, all the members, the mentors, they have always believed in the fact that a student who has just cleared 12th exam, he has to wait for these many days, he has to wait for these many months, because 12th का pressure है, then CA CS का pressure रहेगा. But we have brought the change. All the students, I mean 95% of the students who were registered with our team, with our academy, they are now either CA Foundation cleared, or they are CSET cleared, or they have bagged good rankings, and they are now in the national universities because they have cleared the CLAT level, I mean the CLAT exam or the ALET. And students also have cleared CMA Foundation level. So now I can proudly say this, that all the students who were just 12th cleared, I mean they were considered as 12th cleared, now they are in one or the other professional stream. I mean, hardly it's a matter of 2 to 3 months that they have cleared their 12th exams. Now we can proudly say that either they are CA Foundation, CSET, CLAT or CMA Foundation cleared. This is the change which I wanted to see in the nation, in the commerce stream, in the commerce field. And my team, the entire team has worked so hard to get to this point where we can proudly say that the student is not only 12th cleared, the student is either in CS executive level or CA inter level, or in some NLU, or in the CMA intermediate level. This is the change my team always wanted to bring in the commerce field, and here we are. Again, I am filled with emotions, and I just want to go for party now. Abhi एक तरफ हो गया मोटापा, एक तरफ हो गया कि केक नहीं खाना है. आज तो ट्रेनर सर को भी बोलना पड़ेगा कि नो एक्सरसाइज, नथिंग, आज सिर्फ पार्टी होगी, बिकॉज the entire team is filled with emotions, and I wanted to share this emotion with you. So hearty congratulations each and every student, and my bacha party, all love to you. Thank you for showing this day to me. Thank you. I absolutely love this. Thank you.